Okay, today what we will be doing is last time we had understood, right? What actually is jailbreak detection bypass and what actually is SSL pinning bypass, right? What we will be doing today is today we will be doing the practicals of it, right? We'll be installing the applications, we'll be installing the tweaks and all of those things, and then we will go ahead and see whether we are able to like how actually we can bypass the jailbreak detection and everything. Okay, what we'll be doing is we'll be seeing the demonstration in your phone itself, right? So that it will have few benefits, right? You will be able to practice it then and there itself, right, in real time. And second thing is, in case if you are getting some errors or anything, I will be there to support you, right? So that is the main reason why today's session will be seeing the practicals within your phone, right? You can share your screen. I will guide you on how to do those specific part, and then we will be going through the next sessions, right? Next topics in our next session. Okay.
Yeah.
Yep. So once you are ready, you can connect your phone and you can share your screen as well.
Okay. My screen is visible, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, let me connect my
Yep,
phone.
yep, yep. Uh, you have downloaded all the tweaks from the previous
Uh-huh.
session, right? Okay.
Huh.
Yep. We will make sure that proxy is disabled for now, because currently we will be checking jailbreak detection bypass.
Okay.
It
It's
is off,
off.
right? Okay.
Yeah.
So now you can go to your app store, and I will be telling you few of the applications, so you can just download there. That the first one is SBI Yono application. You can just install that.
This one, right? Second
Yes,
one.
yes, yes. This one. Second one is IndusLand Bank application.
Yeah. Second one is?
IndusLand Bank. Yeah, the first one.
This one, right?
Yeah, this one, first one only. Yep. Can you scroll down? Uh, just can you please can click on cancel and scroll down. Check. I think this is the official app only, right? So yeah, the first one, right? Indus Mobile. Yeah. That. Third one also is a banking application itself. You can. It is Neo X, NIYO X. Yeah, yeah. Digital banking one. Second one. Yeah, this one. So now once this is installed, right, we will go ahead and we will check once we are opening this application. Why we have selected banking application for this demonstration? Because mostly this banking applications and gaming applications does not allow this jailbroken phones to be executed in those phones, right? Because all of the privacy and those reasons. Okay, so that's why
Yeah.
we have selected this kind of. Now you can go to your home screen. By now, I think one or two of the applications might be installed. Yeah, so you can
Hmm.
open Yono SBI, and we will see what actually it is giving to us. Okay. Yeah, you can just click on continue without checking Wi-Fi. Okay. You can go to your second application. We will see that. Okay, so here you can see the device does not meet minimum security
Uh-huh.
requirements, right? So basically, it is
Yeah.
having jailbreak detection. You can click
Hmm.
on OK, and it will get exited. The third
Okay.
one also Neo X. Here also it is showing code something in our metal
Uh-huh.
detector, and it is you are using rooted device, right? So basically,
Hmm.
typically this even SBI Yono as well. In my phone, actually, it is showing that you cannot the root detection and all of those things. Maybe like once it is installed, after a few minutes, it will be detecting. But yeah,
Hmm.
for now, basically all these applications have that particular security implementation in place, right?
Yeah.
Now
Yeah.
what actually happens in our projects, right? So typically we will be having two types of projects. First one will be black box testing project, right? So in black
Hmm.
box testing, that is very minimal, right? If you are getting 100% of projects, like 4 to 5%
Uh-huh.
of projects, right? Even in 100%, like 100 projects, you might get one or two projects, right? Not more than that,
Hmm.
one or two projects where they will expect from us to check everything from a black box perspective, right? Where
Hmm.
everything is
Yeah.
enabled and they are giving us the IPA file from the App Store itself, right? So basically, that kind of thing
Hmm.
will be there. But mostly, 99% of the cases, what will happen is we will be asking them for two IPA files, right? One will be
Yeah.
with the jailbreak detection and SSL pinning disabled, and second one will be with the enabled. So our test cases will be going with that particular thing itself, right? So
Hmm.
basically, we are understanding this thing, because in case if that kind of projects are coming to you, right, you will be able to execute it because of that
Yeah.
particular reason. Okay, and even though if we are having some kind of bug bounty and the bug bounty program does not give us those kind of IPA file, then we
Yeah.
will be able to use these steps. Now you can go back to your home screen and we will understand few more things. So now when it comes to tweaks, right, there will be
Hmm.
multiple tweaks which we'll be using, right? It is not like there is one tweak which can do all the jailbreak detection bypass. Okay, because this tweaks does not know, right, what actually is implemented within the application, right? In our previous session, I
Yeah.
have explained you, right, there are many methods from which application can check whether the device is jailbroken or not, right? It might be trying to access some root files, it might be trying to go out of the containers, right? It might be trying to check whether there is CDA or CDO which is installed or not. It might be trying to check whether there is any kind of this kind of root permissions are working or not. So all of those, there are many things which will be available. So there is not like one tweak which can bypass all these things. So basically, whenever we are getting this kind of application, it will be trial and error for us, right? Many
Hmm.
times some tweaks will work, many times other tweaks will work, right? So it will be because of that particular reason. Okay. So
Okay.
now what we will be using as a part of our tweaks, right? So basically, previously I have shared what all tweaks will be using, right? So we will
Hmm.
just confirm whether those tweaks are already installed or not. If not, we
Yeah.
will install them, and basically after that we will go through one by one and we will see whether like which one will be working and likewise. Okay, so
Yeah.
let me just give you, like, we will discuss one by one all of those tweaks. So first one is fly JB. So can you go to your Celio and just search 𝗧𝗶 if it is already there or not. So 𝗧𝗶 and then space and then X. Without space, 𝗧𝗶, full word, 𝗧𝗶. Yeah, and then space and then X. Okay, it is not there, right? Let
Yeah.
us.
Oh, this is the first one, na, that package didn't get installed.
Okay, okay. We'll go through that package. Let me give you package details. Can you open this link in your browser in Safari? Or you can just search it like just for quick. You can just Google it, 𝗧𝗶𝗶 repo.
Okay.
Yeah, the first one. Here, add to Celio is there, right? Just click on it.
Mm-hmm.
There is one pop-up in your system. Can you
Yeah.
please? Yeah. Okay. Here, add source. I accept. Please continue. It's 404. Let me get you this particular one is not there. Let me just get you one another repo where it might be available. Okay, while I get this repo, you can just go through and check other ones. So second one is jail protect. Can you search and check that one? Jail protect,
That
right?
is there. Yeah.
Second one. Yeah, it is
Hmm.
already installed, right? Just
Hmm.
click on it and check if it is the latest version or not. And you just click on modify. Okay, it is updated version itself. Next one is con bypass, KERN bypass. Yeah, this one. You can just install it. Okay, check your source if your iPhone is properly there or not. I think yesterday we have checked, right?
Yeah.
Okay, your iPhone search. Next one is Liberty Light. Can you check Liberty Light? Yeah,
Yeah,
Liberty
it's
Light
there.
is there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Next one is Shadow.
Shadow
Okay,
is also
Shadow is
there.
also there. Next one is um, No Sub. Yeah, No Sub. Second one. You can just get it. Confirm. Uh, Next one is V node bypass. V node bypass. Yeah, yeah. No, 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 not node. NODE node. Yeah, this one. Yeah, you can just install it. And one last which is left was FlyJB. So you can just
Hmm.
search for FlyJB. Yeah, second one. Yeah, now it showed up right
Huh.
without adding package. Sometimes this kind of weird things happen with this jailbreak. You can restart Springboard.
Yeah.
Okay, so now what we will do is we will go through one by one all of them. Okay,
Hmm.
so typically this totally depends on trial and error itself, right? You need to go one by
Yeah.
one. Now there are two of the tweaks which are already available here, right, which is vnode bypass
Hmm.
and flyjpx. Other
Yeah.
tweaks you will be able to find it in your settings. So can you go to your settings, scroll down, scroll up a bit. Okay, it is not there. You can
No.
go to your Celio and type substrate. No. It's not substrate. Substitute. Yeah, substitute. I think. Subs-
This one, right?
Yeah. Got it. What actually it does is it will allow us to see the tweaks in our settings app itself.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Restart Spring Boot. Now you can go to that substitute. No, not from Celio. There will be a separate logo itself. If it is not there, it is fine. We will directly go to the settings. Okay, it is not there, right?
It's not there.
Okay,
Yeah.
we will go to settings. We'll scroll down. Scroll up a bit. Okay, go to that bell ring. Okay, go to your Celio and check if substitute. No. Don't do the stuff. Okay, go to your Celio, not from bell ring. There, yeah, and just check if substitute is there.
No.
Yeah, just reinstall it.
It
Just
is
quit it up
happening.
and
Mm-hmm.
you can just re-execute it. You can just clear out this application, and then reopen it. Okay, go to your packages. Here below there is packages. Okay, now you can search for that substitute. Okay, no sub is there. Okay, cancel here. Click cancel. Yeah, go to search. Yeah, now you can search for that. Okay, no issues. Like how 𝗲𝗶𝗶𝗶𝗃 came after some time, right? It will
Yeah.
take some time in loading, but we will
Hmm.
till then we will see that this whole things. Okay. So you can
Okay.
just close it up. Like you can just close Celio for now. Now what we will do is basically as you have seen, right, Indusland, Neo, right, these applications have this jailbroken. Now what we'll do is we will go
Yeah.
to, first of all, 𝗲𝗶𝗶𝗃. We will open it. uh, Go to vnode bypass. Can you check if okay, Celio is opening, right? Yeah. So here what actually is happening is with all these applications, right? This is our particular application, Indusland Bank, and here you can see this device does not meet minimum security requirements and all of those things. We will click on OK. We will check NeoX. Again, the same application. We'll wait for a few seconds for it to load. Normally what it does is it checks like whether whether the device is jailbroken or not, right? Likewise.
Hmm.
So again, here also we will check for the YONO SPI. We'll wait for a few seconds, and typically it should come up in some time, right? What we will do is we will just go to vn node bypass. We'll click on enable. Here you can see it is success, right? Now we will
Yeah.
check Indusland Bank. Previously that pop-up was showing up, right? So
Hmm.
basically now we will check what actually is happening. And now you can see, right, that pop-up is gone. I can directly go ahead and try to enter anything, register, login, and it works, right? So basically here you can
Yeah.
see it works. Likewise, now let us just disable this, and now let us try with another tweak, right? So 𝗲𝗶𝗃 is there. I will just remove 𝗲𝗶, right? I am deactivating it. Okay. And now let us check with Neo and in that one, both of them. So now here you can see, right? Code something in our
Yeah.
metadata, your device is rooted.
Hmm.
Same thing, let us go ahead and check with as YONO SPI. Now here you can see jailbreak
Hmm.
device. This device is jailbreak. You cannot access the application. We'll go to this one, activate 𝗲𝗶, right? We will click on enable. Second one we will enable. In bypass list, we'll click on bypass list. Here by default everything will be disabled, right? Now what we will do
Yeah.
is we will enable NeoX and YONO SPI. We'll just go back, and now we will see NeoX. and previously it was showing that that something metal detector and those things, right? Now you can see I
Yeah.
can skip it, and here we can see our phone number and everything, right? Typically it works. Let us go with the SBI one. And it works, right? So basically register now. Currently I'm not having the SIM card here, so that is the error which it was throwing, right? Otherwise basically it works, right? So here you can see cannot send
Yeah.
message because I'm not having the SIM card, right? That is the main reason. Otherwise definitely it will be giving it will be allowing to complete the same thing, right? So this is very simple thing, not much to go forward and do, but yeah, for to do the same thing in your device, right? Just you need to re-jailbreak once, install
Yeah.
that Celio, right? And basically you can just add both of these tweaks and you are good to go. Okay,
Yeah.
nothing else. Now you have seen, right? You can try it once and then you will be able to do it, right? But yeah, in case if still the error is persisting, do let me know, we will
Yeah.
do it together. Okay.
Sure. Yeah.
Just a quick update from my end. So next week, this Saturday, right? I will
Yeah.
not be available because I'm going to see sites. So basically,
Okay.
I will be returning on Saturday evening. So what we will do is
Okay.
in Sunday we will be having two sessions, in morning one and evening one, likewise.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Sure. So
Yeah.
let us join in that. And meanwhile, in case if you have any issues or anything, right? Do reach me out. Okay. I will be available on
Okay.
WhatsApp. Okay. So that's why do reach me out, and then we can work and can validate, right? Likewise.
Okay. And one more thing,
Yeah.
for this jailbreak detection, when it is not implemented properly, so what will be the mitigation for this?
For this, mitigation is the same thing. So typically what happens is they might have missed the specific directory or those kind of things, right? So in the previous one, I have shared that these are the ways from which they will be able to
Yeah.
implement the jailbreak, right? So basically the same thing. In
Yeah.
case if you have not received that document over Drive, right? I will share it with you over WhatsApp.
Yeah.
That will be the recommendation. Typically, you have to just ask them that they need to check whether those all checks are being performed or not, right? Checking for CDR,
Like
checking
all
for
the
the
checks need to be done.
correct, exactly, exactly.
Huh.
So checking for the CDR, checking for the root processes, checking for the application sandboxing, checking for the files, right? So all of those specific things need to be validated by the application before starting all the processes. Likewise,
Okay.
okay.
Yeah.
Sure. So, yeah, so this was it for today's session. Let us join in next session and then we will proceed with the next steps. Okay. Meanwhile,
Okay.
you can
Yeah.
try re-jailbreaking once. Okay. Installing this
Huh.
repo and try it with the same applications. Okay. And then in case if you face any errors or anything, right, do let me know. Okay.
Yeah. Sure.
Bye.